My channel. Today we're going to talk about skills which do not require you to have any experience and you can start earning money immediately. So the first skill that I'm going to talk about is research work. Are you good at doing research work? If you're good at doing research, all I'll tell you is go to fiverr.com and of course write your profile like the way you can see here. These are profile pictures of freelancers who are doing research work. For example, let me give you an example. We have Lily. Lily is a freelancer from Fiverr.com. She's offering her research work. So this is her profile. She says that I will handle any research papers and any other coursework. So far, she has done over 40 jobs and she's gotten over 4.9 star rating. So if you're good at doing research work, you can go ahead and offer your services on Fiverr.com and it's free of charge to sign up and you put up your profile. This is a profile picture. This is a profile, the profile where you indicate your pricing and the skills you're doing. And of course, you start, once you finish writing your profile, then of course, every time you work with a client, they're gonna give you a 5-star rating. If you do a good job, they're gonna give you a 5-star rating. If you do a poor quality job, they're gonna give you 1-star rating. So like for example, here you can see one of the clients has said she spent time in understanding my needs. She was not in a hurry to get the order, delivery on time. So these are the results of clients who are happy. There is another client from Norway say Lily was very proactive and solution oriented. My request was quite non-standard, but she handled it very well. So this, if you have research skills, you can do this job. You don't need to have any experience whatsoever. Just go to fiverr.com, sign up, which is free of charge, create your profile, indicate your pricing. Of course, you'll have 3 packages of pricing. There's basic, then there's standard, and then there's premium price. So guys, if you find this video to be useful, kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, and of course drop your comments. The other skill that you don't need to have any experience and you can start earning money online, it's called transcription. Transcription is whereby you listen to an audio and you transcribe into a text. So for example, here you can see freelancers are earning money by doing by doing transcription work. For example, I'm going to give you an example of Joel Sam. Joel Sam is a freelancer offering transcription work. He says, I will transcribe 60 minutes audio or video transcription in 24 hours. And so far, he has worked with over 200 clientele and he has given a 5-star rating. This is the highest. And of course, when you do transcription work, make sure you deliver work on time, quality work, so that you get 5-star rating. And when you get 5-star rating, clients will want to work with you. Like for example, Joel Sam here, he has worked with over 200 clients and every client wants to work with him because he delivers quality work. For example, let me give you an example of what a client has said about Joel. The process was extremely efficient. Joel delivered a series of high quality transcription for me and he was given a 5-star rating. Another testimonial from another client, he said, this is my 3rd time work with Joel Sam. He was professional and provided great work as usual. Remember what I said, if you do good job, quality work, clients will want to work with you and they'll come back every single time they have a project for you to do. And of course, when you do a profile, of course, you're going to have 3 packages of pricing: the basic, the standard, and the premium. This is, of course, it happening on fiverr.com. For those who are interested, please go to fiverr.com. Signing up is free of charge. Indicate your skills and of course put a picture that is very professional, approachable, and of course then after that, then you start marketing your gig to the social media platform and start getting your first client. Remember, the only way you can secure a client is make sure you deliver high quality work before deadline. They'll give you 5-star rating, which will attract more clients who want to work with you. Guys, if you find this video to be useful, kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, and of course drop your comments. The other easy skill that you can do and earn money online is called data entry. Of course, data entry is basically inputting data in either a Word document or an Excel document. And of course, you can see example of freelancers who are offering data entry and they've worked with several clients. For example, here I'm gonna put I'm choosing one client over here who has worked with over 3,000 clients, and he has over 5-star rating. For example, here you see Awise. He has worked with over 1,000 clientele so far on Fiverr.com, and his profile says that he's a data entry pro, of course, and of course he has done work with over 1,000 clientele, and so far this is what the clients have to say. So the clients have given him rating, which is 5-star rating, and so far he's doing so well on Fiverr.com. So every time client want to work with him, they look at his past review from past client, and when they see those good reviews, they always want to go and work with him. For example, look at his profile. He has indicated his area of expertise, like he said, offline and online data entry jobs. That's what his expertise in, and many other fields. And of course, he has given their pricing package. There's the basic, which is 5 hours of work, which is, he charges you $60. Standard 15 hours of work, he charges you $180. Premium, he charges you for 40 hours of work, he charges you $480. Remember, this is someone who is in the top rank. He's been given 5-star rating. So he says, I will do data entry, web research, and data cleaning in Excel or Google spreadsheet. Remember, him is a 5-star rating. He's on the top level in terms of, is a first number one seller. They usually give you rank when it comes to Fiverr.com. So it's the top. Usually you charge higher amount of money, because at the end of the day, clients want to work with you because they know you deliver quality work. But when you're starting out on Fiverr.com, of course, you have to lower your prices so that you end up landing your first clientele. And once you do, you've created a rapport with them, you've created a history with them, and you have your 5-star rating from different clientele, then you can increase your pricing. So guys, if you find this video to be useful, kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, and of course drop your comments. Okay, the other skill that you can earn money online, are you good at writing essays? If you're good at writing essays or composition, then this skill is for you. So you can decide to usually write articles for bloggers, for websites. So people usually get hired to write these articles, and you get paid good amount of money. For example, here there are freelancers who are saying they're going to write for you a website copy, website content. You see these blogs that you read every single day. You know, that is content. That is an article that has been written by someone. So there are people who pay you to write. So if you're good at that, just go to Fiverr.com, sign up, which is free of charge, create your profile and indicate your specialty, and from there you put your prices, and of course you start marketing your gig to other platforms, and you start working when you land clientele. So for example, here you see Georgia. She's a top rate in terms of this area of her niche, content writing. So here she said, I'll write compelling social media content. And of course, when you're top rate, usually charge high price. So for example, how she says, for 10 captions, she will charge you $100. For standard, for 20 captions, she'll charge $165. For premium, she'll charge $250 for 30 captions. So she said, I'll write 30 compelling social media captions for your brand, 30 to 40 words each. So remember, this is she's already in the field. She has already created a history, a portfolio. She has clients, over 1,000 clients. She has over 5-star rating. She has over 5-star rating. She's worked with over 240 clients. Okay, so she's in demand, and of course she delivers high quality work. For example, you can see what the clients are saying. Past clients say, absolutely crushed it, 0 revision. Georgia really took the time to understand our industry. For another past client said, Georgia is an exceptional content writer who consistently delivers top-notch work. All right, the last I'm going to talk over the last client who said, it's been an absolute pleasure collaborating with Georgia on multiple projects. You see, when you deliver high quality work, clients will always come back and also refer you to other new clientele. That's the reason I insist on you need to deliver high quality work so that you get that 5-star rating. And when you get that 5-star rating, you attract more clients to want to work with you. Remember, when a client wants to work with you, first they check your profile, they check your past history. Are the clients happy? Are you getting 5-star rating? Because when you get 5-star rating, it means clients are very happy with your services. So guys, if you find this video to be useful, kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, and of course drop your comments. Remember, you have to create a profile when you're on this Fiverr platform. You have to indicate your skills, the area you're specializing in, and then of course you need to promote your gig on social media platforms so that you're able to land client. But of course, once you have client and you've already developed your history, like for example Georgia has done, then it's easy for you to attract new clients immediately.